There are two primary ways in which technology allowed the 99% to start building wealth even if they don't have great connections, credit score, or tens of thousands of dollars in their bank account. The first way is by making information abundant and easily accessible. You no longer have to go to the library and search for hours for a single piece of information. You just Google it. You no longer have to wait for the newspaper with the stock news to come to your door. You just check your favorite financial website. Your financial advisor is no longer your only way to access quality financial information. You have access to thousands of articles and videos like this. And with the advent of AI, you even have the option of getting whole books summarized in seconds. A kid with a phone in his pocket and network connection in Africa can access the minds of thousands of people on different continents at their fingertips. Unless you are stuck in a cage or in a remote mountain village without internet connection, you literally have zero excuses for not educating yourself on whatever topic interests you, including investments. And if you are stuck in such a place, I'm not sure how you're watching this video, but anyway. The second way technology allowed the average person to become an investor is through fractionalizing assets and lowering, or in some cases even completely removing, commissions and gatekeepers. Just think about it for a second. We're living in an age where you can invest $5 in a company with a share price of $1,000 and do it without paying any fees. Just stop and think how extraordinary that is. Not only do you not have to leave your home in order to do it, but you don't need to sign any contracts, speak with any financial advisors, or wait to save the whole $1,000 amount that one share of that company costs. You open your phone, you tap a button, and now you're a shareholder in one of the most powerful and profitable businesses in the world. We take this for granted, but it is an extraordinary achievement of technology and the digital age. But it doesn't stop here. We now have the possibility of getting diversified exposure to hundreds of businesses, even with $100, through the vehicle called ETF. This stands for Exchange Traded Fund and is a company that buys hundreds or even thousands of other companies and trades on the stock market just like a normal stock. And so, for example, if you put $100 in the S&P 500 ETF, you will be able to own a little piece of the 500 biggest companies in the United States. And you can do it without asking for anyone's permission while sitting on your couch in your home. So basically, the combination of almost zero commission brokerages, online access, fractional shares, and ETFs have allowed the ordinary person to become an investor in a way in which your grandparents could only dream of. You can literally save a couple $100 from your salary each month and automatically put it in a diversified portfolio of the best businesses in the world, allowing you to start your journey towards financial independence. Of course, you still have to know what you're doing, but as I mentioned, you no longer need to have the right connections or pay thousands of dollars to financial advisors. As an example, I have a free investing masterclass where I teach people the best strategy, in my opinion, for the average person to start building wealth and create passive income. I also do a deep dive on the history of money and why money printing no longer allows normal people to save. If you're interested in that, you can find the link in the description. But this is a perfect example of you watching from wherever in the world you are watching this, being able to access the mind of a person potentially on the other side of the world who has already walked the path you are starting on and being able to learn from him. This wouldn't have been possible 20 or actually even 15 years ago. Speaking of what has changed in the past 15 years, technological advancements even created a new asset class called cryptocurrency. Apart from shares of stocks, this is the other type of asset which is globally accessible only with an internet connection, and you can participate in it even with pocket change. It allows you to invest in projects which you think will be successful and believe in without any government stopping you because you don't have a certain net worth or annual income. It also allows you to transact value with any person that has an internet connection wherever in the world they are. So the combination of the internet and different technological advancements have created an enormous opportunity for the 99% to invest and build wealth. There are no more barriers to entry or gatekeepers. The only thing that is required of you is to get educated, which is what I'm trying to do with this channel. In order to continue with your investment education, you can check this video that should have appeared on your screen already. I will see you there.